What's going on, BP family? Welcome to episode 3 of the BP vlog, the Beyond Prosperous vlog. I'm so excited that you're here. Listen, if you are new to the vlog, basically this is the behind the scenes of me building my online business, literally step by step, the things that I'm doing every single day or every single couple of days or every couple of days as I build my business. And so after recording the first 2 videos, I'm like, man, those things are shaky. And so what can I do to make better videos? And so basically I went out to Amazon. Then I didn't go nowhere, but I went to Amazon and I got this. So it's a gimbal. I got this gimbal, this DJI OM4 SE. It was about $100, but basically I want to make sure that I'm creating quality videos. And so I'm pretty much learning it, figuring it out, just making sure that I have equipment to make sure that I can produce really good videos. And so today I got a couple of things going on. Finally, I have a package, man. I've been waiting a couple of days ever since I started this program learning about the funnels. I ordered this the secret trilogy. So this is the 3 books that Russel Brunson wrote. The first one is Dotcom Secrets. I think the second one is Expert Secrets, and the last one is Traffic Secrets. And basically it's helping me, it's going to help me build my online funnels. It's going to help me make sure that I'm basically have all the knowledge that I need to do that, to build the funnels and to build it the best way. So one more thing, an announcement is that today I'm not doing the giveaway today, but I'm announcing the giveaway today. So I ordered an extra book. It's called Dotcom Secrets. So it's the first book of the trilogy. And so because I ordered 2, I want to give one away to somebody that's trying to build an online business and trying to be successful in this. And so I'm going to give, a little bit of background of what I've learned so far from the Audible. So I got the book on Audible so I could go ahead and start listening to it and reading it. And so basically, man, this has been transformational in the way that I think about the funnels that I'm creating and the way that I think about creating offers and so forth and so on. And so if you are somebody that's looking to build an online business, make sure you stay to the end of this video and you enter into the giveaway. And so I'll give all the details and stuff at the end of the video. But before then, let's unbox this box, this package, the Secrets Trilogy. All right, so I'm gonna figure out how to get this gimbal the way that I need it, and we'll go from there. All right, cool. So I got this from this package opener knife from Amazon. I used to work at Amazon before I worked at my current job, so it's been very helpful in opening boxes, of course. So let's see what we got. All right, so we got the Secrets Trilogy. All right, so it comes with a quick start guide that I'll get into later. All right, and of course it comes with probably a couple of offers, your ticket to join this, funnel scripts, continue your journey. Cool. All right, so what comes in here is 3 books and an additional book called Unlock the Secrets by Russel. All right, so I'll probably do another video on what Unlock the Secrets is, just when I have a better understanding of it. But ultimately, this is super nice. Oh yeah. So I've already started reading the Dotcom Secrets, and like I said, so far it's been transformational, not just in the way that I think about marketing and things like that, but also just understanding marketing better, because this man is making millions and millions of dollars a year. And so basically, ultimately, I'm looking to model somebody that's already successful in what I'm trying to do, and he's the creator of ClickFunnels. And so I'm like, of course, the books that he writes I should probably read them. All right, so this is, yes, man, I'm so excited. Can't wait to read. Basically, the things that I read in these books, I'm going to be shared on my channel. the content that I get. And I'm glad that I finally got the book, because it's a little bit different listening to the Audible. Definitely informational, but just really being able to practically get my hands on it and look at the different diagrams and that he draws and stuff like that. That's going to just really take to the next level my understanding of how to build these funnels, and also how I'm able to teach you to build your funnel. All right, so now let's get to what I want to talk about today. So in every video and every vlog, I really want to try my best to, I would say, to teach something or to share something that I've learned and share it with you, so that you can be better and that you can continue to grow as I grow. And so a couple of months ago, in a staff meeting at my church, so I do a couple of things. I do a lot of different things, and I'll probably share that in another vlog, but I serve at my church basically with the social media side and just the online side and technology side. And so when we were in our staff meeting, our pastor, he talked to us about the 6 types of working the 6 types of working genius. All right, so the 6 types of working genius, and he was talking about basically how these understanding and knowing your working genius will help you really identify and get clear on how you can better use your gift to impact and to work in to the best of your ability. And so today I want to talk a little bit about that. And the reason what brought it back to mind was I was doing my daily checklist, basically, of things that I desire to do every single day in order to better myself. And the first one is to read. The second one is to write. So basically write something that I learned. The third one is to add value to someone. And then the fourth one is to ask a question that will get me one step closer, or to take me one step further in my process and in my journey. And then the final one is to take action on whatever that question was. And so the question that I had for the day that I wrote that was, what are people needing to get started? And so when I asked that question, I'm really thinking, because ultimately I want to add value to the people that I'm called to. I want to add value to the people that I believe that God wants me to add value to and for me to transform. And so ultimately that was the question for that day. And so let's see if I can get this right. All right. So come to me. All right. So again, figuring all this out. There we go. All right. So the question was, what are people needing to get started? And so for me, the answer was to understand themselves, understand their gift. And so when they understand and have that foundation, they're able to better kind of take on whatever that they're doing, whatever they're trying to accomplish. And so if that is building a business, if that is creating a course, if that is even if it's a brick and mortar business, you understand the way that you think, you understand your strengths and your weaknesses. And so I want to just talk briefly about the 6 types of working genius. And this is by Patrick Lencioni. All right. So he's the author, and in September, I believe that he's having his first book. His book is coming out about the 6 types of working genius. All right. So I already pre-ordered it, and I'm on his list to become an affiliate. So whenever I get that affiliate link, and then he's moving forward with that, I'm gonna definitely put it in the description, so you can ultimately take the assessment. I took the assessment. You could take the assessment and see which one of these working geniuses are yours. All right. So for him, he said, well, not for him, but how he broke it down. He said that there are 3 kind of sections of the working genius. And the first one is your working genius. And so for me, it was discernment and wonder. And I'm gonna break these down in order when I teach it. But so the first one is your working genius, or the first 2 is your working genius. The second 2 is your working competence. And the third one is your working frustration. Now, if you are working every single day and you're working frustration, that means that you are not producing the best quality. You're not producing the best of you, and you're not even able to give all of yourself to it, because I mean, nobody wants to work in frustration. Nobody wants to work in a frustrated environment. And so let's talk about these 6 types of working genius. All right. Again, get that off. All right, here we go. Cool. All right, so the 6 types of working genius by Patrick Lencioni. All right, so the first one is wonder. So basically, wonder is this ability to imagine. And I'm going to read this straight from the my assessment results package. All right, so it says, the genius of wonder, the gift of pondering possibility of greater potential and opportunity in a given situation. So the gift of pondering the possibility of greater potential and opportunity in a given situation. All right. So the second one is the gift of invention. So the gift of invention is the gift of creating, or the genius of invention is the gift of creating original and novel ideas and solutions. All right. The third one is the gift of discernment, or the genius of discernment. And this is the gift of intuitively and instinctively evaluating ideas and situations. All right. So the fourth one is the genius of galvanizing. So the gift, this gift is basically rallying and inspiring, organizing others to take action. All right. The fifth one is the genius of enablement. And that's the gift of providing encouragement and assistance for an idea or project. And the last one is the genius of tenacity. And this is the gift of pushing projects or tasks to completion to achieve results. And so when you understand your genius, or your two types of genius, then you are able to better assess, you're able to better work in your own workflow to help you produce the results that you want to produce. All right. And like I said, my two is discernment. Ultimately, what the results gave me was discernment and galvanizing. And after I talked to my wife, I would say that is, it's really confirmed that is probably my two top working geniuses. But after reading like through the assessment and reading through the information, I actually decided that I believe that discernment and wonder, or wonder is a really strong gift for me as well, where I'm always trying to figure out how to make this better, how to make this look better, how to make this work better. And I'm very like enthusiastic about creating something and very optimistic about creating something new. All right. But tenacity, all right, so let me, my working frustration is tenacity and enablement. And it's like, how, like, obviously there has to be two. So tenacity, I struggle, my biggest struggle, and just to be just honest, my biggest struggle is finishing like through. Now I'm good with being consistent with things that I'm loving, that I'm doing, but ultimately being like a finisher, like I'm in my mind, I'm like, I want to do something that, like, not that I want to do something else, but, oh, that looks good. Let me try that. Let me try that. Let me try that. And so if that is your genius, then you have to have somebody in your life that has that genius of tenacity, to keep you on course and to keep you in going in the right direction. All right, so this is the 6 types of genius. I'm going to make another video that breaks down these a little bit more, but I just want to introduce them in this video. That way that you can start thinking about, okay, what kind of genius do I have? Because some of us, we look at the things that we do naturally, and we don't see them as geniuses. We don't see them as gifts. We don't see them as something good, but more so as a burden. And so when you understand your genius in the 6 types, out of the 6 types of geniuses, you will be able to better you'll be able to better work. I mean, ultimately, how the purpose of it is to make sure that you are getting the most out of your life. You're squeezing everything out of your life that you possibly can. And so even like doing this vlog and stuff like that, being consistent with it is something that I will probably be able to do, but making sure that I edit it and then go even beyond that. Like, I really want to make sure that I give quality advice and give a quality video. But more than anything, because of my genius, it's like discernment and galvanizing and wonder. It's like making sure that I do this and I get it out. Like, I'm just like, I'm very simple. I want to make sure that it's good and adds value, but ultimately I'm trying to keep things as simple as possible and get it out. And so, that's basically how my videos are going to be in the beginning, definitely, as I continue to build my channel and as I continue to build momentum in everything that I'm doing. Cool. So now that you have stayed to the end, I hope that you have learned something about the 6 types of genius. You can definitely look it up. And again, whenever I get my affiliate link to the assessment so that you're able to take it that way, I'm definitely going to put that in the description so that you can take the assessment. I believe at this time is $25, and you're able to take your assessment. And the biggest point of taking that assessment is not to spend $25 with this man to just spend $25 to take an assessment. The biggest thing is, imagine you being able to identify your working genius, and you for the rest of your life are able to know that this is the thing that I do best. now you can position yourself, whether you are working a career, whether you are, choosing to build a business, you know what part you are best at, that you're gifted at. And now you can put other people around you that are gifted at those other things in order to get things done, get results done. And like I said, I'm going to break that down a little bit more in another video after I study it a little bit more. All right, so now let's get to the giveaway. I got the book here, Dotcom Secrets, and this is going to be yes, this is going to be the book that we're giving away. It's going to be, I'll do the start. So it's going to start today, whenever this video is released, which I'm recording on July 23rd, 2022. And then it's going to end July 29th, which is a Friday, 2022. And I'm probably going to do pull the names and do all the drawings next Saturday, which is going to be the 30th. And that's when I'm going to release the video. So this is going to be the prize. I'm reading my notes to make sure that I follow the rules or whatever. But basically, if you are the winner, I'm gonna try to record however I do it, even if it's like a screen record of how I pick the names, so that you understand and that you see that it's absolutely fair however I choose the names. But yes, I'm gonna choose the winner, or I'm gonna contact the winner through possibly email or through the comment section. Basically, what you have to do to win is just make sure that you are subscribed here. Leave a comment down below. It's gonna be I'm starting now. Leave a comment down below that says I'm starting now. I don't know exactly what you're starting, but I want you to identify that in your mind and put I'm starting now, and then tell me what you're starting now. Tell me what's going to change. Tell me what's going to be different in your life as you continue to watch this vlog and as you continue to do the things that you're called to do in your life. So I'm starting now, but then tell me what you are going to start. All right. So that is how you're going to win. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you like the video. And yes, that's how you win. And I would choose out of the comment section. All right, cool. So the last thing that I'm supposed to do is make sure that you know that this giveaway is not sponsored by anybody. I ordered an extra book and I'm like, let me give this to somebody because it's blessed me so much just in the audio, version of the book. Like, it's blessed me so much. It's transformed my way of thinking. And again, everything that I'm learning, I'm going to be teaching you. And so, prayerfully, I'm able to get the same message across, and that it's able to make the same impact on you as it is for me. So this video, or this giveaway, is not sponsored by Russel Brunson or YouTube. This is specifically for me. So I'll be choosing the winner and making sure that gets done, and I'll be connecting with you. Super excited about it. So you'll get this book, but also something else that I want to do is give you an opportunity to connect with me. So a 1-hour session where we just talk about the business. We talk about whatever those next steps are for you. Like, we're going to find out how to get started and how to help you get started on whatever you're doing. Like, I've been doing I've been doing business, or I've been behind the scenes studying for about 3 years. Like, I got almost a bachelor's in this thing. And so now I'm just figuring out sales. And as I figure out sales, I understand that that's going to open up so many doors for me. And so I'm super excited. I hope that this has added value to you and given you perspective on your gifts. And the whole point of the question of asking, what are people needing to get started? The purpose of that question is to help people where they are and ultimately get them where they desire to be. And so hopefully, as you follow this vlog, you continue to grow, you continue to see things and understand things better, to where you're able to implement those things in your life and get the life that you desire. I'm so excited. Thank you for being a part of this this community and this vlog. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment, and I will see you in the next video. And I will see you in the next video. I just hit my whole gimbal and knocked everything out of sequence, but I'll see you in the next video. Can't wait to see you then. All right.